Alright, so now we're on the passenger side. We have the caliper bracket, rotor. When replacing rotor and new calipers, you don't have to remove the caliper bolt brackets. You go here and remove the 21 millimeter caliper bracket bolts. There's one here and there's one there. 21 millimeter. Remove that, put a hanger on it, and hang it here off the frame or off the control arm. The rotor comes off. Then after that, oh yeah, don't forget, clamp off the line. Line lock will work fine. It's called a line lock. The actual tool, you put it on the line and you tighten it. Don't over tighten it, but you tighten it down until it kind of crimps the line just enough to keep the fluid from flowing out of it. Get your drain bucket, put it under here. Then remove everything and then do the same process, putting it back together. So, of course, I'm always by myself, so I do the best I can with making these videos. I'll maybe come back while I'm taking it apart if I can get the phone and everything to work right. But if not, I'll come back after it's finished, show you the finished product, and go over it again with you. 2008 Dodge Ram Hemi 5.7. 4-wheel drive. Let's get it. Mr. Wrench. Peace.